What is going on, everybody? I've got a kind of a little bit of a filler video for you today. There's stray puppies walking around trying to make sure that they don't steal my towels. But if you guys saw my last video on which waterless wash was right for you, you'll notice that I gave kind of Optimum waterless wash, a bad review. I didn't really like it so much, and a lot of you pointed out in the comments that I was using the product wrong. And Optimum themselves actually reached out to me and was just like, hey, you used the product wrong. So, just to kind of, I don't want to misrepresent them, and I don't want to lead you guys the wrong way. So, I'm making this video just on Optimum waterless wash, and I don't know. No rinse. It's Optimum. You guys know what it is. I'm going to show you using it the right way, and show you that it actually is it's a really good product. So okay, so the way that you're going to want to use this product is basically just it's a no rinse kind of wash. You don't have to break out the hose and rinse the car off and go through your huge routine of puppies. You need to stay away from me. Little pups, man. You basically don't have to break out the power washer and the foam gun and all that other stuff and go through your huge routine of it. If it's just a maintenance wash, or you just want your car clean like how I do right now, this product is actually perfect for you. And I'm going to give some of these bottles away at the end of this video. So if you want one of these for free, stay tuned to the end of the video and I will show you how to win one. So, getting into using this product, all you're going to want to do is get yourself, a gallon or 2 gallons of water, and put about an ounce of this stuff in your gallons of water. Get a nice wash mitt. I've already got it set up right here. 2 gallons of water with an ounce of this stuff already in it. I've already cleaned most of the car, just kind of testing the product out for myself and making sure I was saying the right things on how to use it. I'll just walk you over the car, some end results, and then go over some super dirty parts, show you the basics, uses and tips and tricks that I've come up with for using it, and get into giving these away. So, like I said, the majority of the car is already washed, just because I've been out here, wash the car, doing my thing. So these are some end results. As you can see, the car is really shiny. It's really nice. Don't mind the little rocker panels down there. I like to clean those last, just because they tend to be the dirtiest and carry the most grossness with them. But just coming around the car here, it's fairly clean. It looks really nice, I haven't waxed the car in about 3 weeks or so this is perfectly good. Now, as you can see, I didn't do the wheels or the windows on this side of the car, just because I like to do the wheels and windows my own way. I mean, this product is perfectly fine to use on the windows and the wheels. It'll work great. I just have my own ways that I like to do those things. So you can see here, coming over the car, it is filthy. It is disgusting. This tree here has pooped all over my car, giving it some of this nastiness. And it's been raining. It's super cold here in Houston, so it's got construction zone grossness, nastiness all over it. The car was filthy. But I'll go over just the way that they expect it to really be used. This is bad right here. We'll use this as our test subject, because that's disgusting. I don't know how well. I don't have that much zoom, but the puppies are right there. Little puppers, just running around the neighborhood, doing pupper stuff. Alrighty, so we are here at the dirtiest part of the car at the moment. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your wash mitt in your Optimum stuff. I like to swirl the bucket around a little bit just to make sure that the chemical's nice and mixed up in there, just so I'm getting the most out of the product when I use it. And then you got your nice fluffy dry towel for drying it afterwards. So basically, the easiest way to use this product that I've come up with is to I like to wring it out just a little bit when I bring it out of the bucket, because trying to keep the area nice, clean and dry, so there's not so much cleanup. I like to just kind of, dump a little bit out over it, just to kind of pre-lubricate it before I start actually wiping. And then, with every wipe, I just like to flip the wash mitt, just because that's just the way I do things. I know everyone does things differently. Not everyone's happy with the way other people do things, but this is the way I'm going to do it. So whichever way that you like to do it, just as long as you rub it vigorously. Then you take your dry microfiber towel and just kind of dry it off. It's super simple, and it works really well. I like this product a lot more, you know, when I use it the right way. You know, it's kind of crazy how well things work when they're used how they're intended to be used. But as you saw, I mean, that thing was filthy. It was disgusting. There's no scratching or anything like that. There's scratches on the mirror, of course, because that's just the nature of daily driving a car. But for as dirty as that was, and to have like none of this stuff picked up on the towel, it wiped it down. It's super smooth and silky to the touch. So those protectant polymers and stuff that's in it. And I really like the product. And just sort of kind of eat my words from the last video, I decided to give 2 bottles of this stuff away, just because I kind of feel bad for misrepresenting these people. So if you guys want to win a bottle of this Optimum no rinse wash and shine, I'm just going to call it Optimum. If you guys want to win a bottle of Optimum, comment down below the word Optimum with a heart next to it, because it's a good product for a decent price. And next Sunday I will announce a winner for this product. 2 bottles, like I said, 2 winners, and I'll just send that out to you, because like I said, I feel kind of bad for misrepresenting them in the first place. I'm just gonna go through and wash down the rest of the car. So I guess I'll end that here, because I don't know, it's kind of boring to watch somebody just wash down their car. Like I said, you can totally use this stuff on your wheels, your windows. It cleaned my plastic trim actually like really well, and didn't like water spot it or anything like that. I don't know how well it's gonna keep the plastic trim like looking dark and stuff. I didn't go that far into it, but just for your average, I just need to wash the car a little bit, make it look nice again. This stuff is perfect, you know, great product. Sorry for using it wrong in the first place. Just wanted to correct myself here. And like I said, comment down below if you want to win. Next Sunday, tune in. But until next time, I will see you guys later.